Hey boys, welcome back. So Bitcoin finally filled the gap, and I'm going to tell you where I think Bitcoin is going to go next. So this was the chart that I gave you boys yesterday. I told you that you have to watch how we react from the weekly gap. If we do come down lower, there might be a long, and looks like our box work, boys. We did bounce from the 786. These were the point of interest that I gave you, boys, yesterday. So if you look at that, that was like a 2.7% move. I hope you guys made some money from this trade right here, almost to the damn dollar. So that was a nice trade. Now, before I tell you guys where I think Bitcoin is going to go next, now that we filled the gap, I just want to say, if you've been liking my content so far, best way to help a small channel would be to subscribe and leave a like. And then I have some links on my link tree for weeks. You get big bonuses, no KYC. You got Bybit, Coinflare, $300 USDT. If you deposit, I think around 150 bucks. If you want to trade with a prop firm, I also have some discount codes in the description below for client funding, up to $300,000 worth of capital. They have standard evaluations and instant funding accounts. Best way to help the small channel, boys. And disclaimer, I do get some referral fees, kickbacks if you use my codes. All right, so let's get into our TA. So now that Bitcoin has finally filled the gap, we did bounce, and now New York just opened, and we're coming down again. This might be because NASDAQ and ES is also coming down. We have CPI tomorrow, so we might get a sell day today. There's no news. We might get a sell day today. So what I think is going to happen is maybe NASDAQ and ES is going to come down and fill the NWOG or weekly gaps that they have left right here, but it's pretty steep on ES. I'm not sure if we're really gonna go deep down, but if we do come down all the way here with Nasdaq and ES, Bitcoin might break from this internal range and finally come down to the golden pocket, 94K to 92K. That is our second level from the all-time high and from this 74K low. I think that's a gold. Yeah, that is the golden pocket, and we do have some. I think this is some great support, like a support and resistance flip. Now, if we do get one more max pain before going up to new all-time highs, this would be the best level to bounce from. Fake everybody out. A lot of people would short here and then get trapped, and then CPI tomorrow, and then we come back inside this range and then maybe chop for a little bit. But I feel like we're still going to have one blow off top this November. Trump just announced that they're giving away $2,000 of stimulus tariffs to the people in the United States. I think once that stimulus hits, people are going to either ape that on stocks or crypto. So I feel like we're really going to have one more push before we enter the bear market. On the altcoin side, Ethereum and Solana, they're just following Bitcoin, waiting for a catalyst. We are bouncing from the anchored view up from this low, so that is looking pretty nice. But we might come down lower again. Also, Solana is in our support. This was the long that I gave you boys a few months ago. So overall, not looking good. Not looking good. I was honestly hoping that we could get above here, get back inside this range. But I mean, this short is the money. This was the short from Monday. I hope you guys made some money from this and from this long. So right now, we just have to wait how we're going to react on CPI. We're probably going to get a big news candle. A lot of people are getting liquidated now. So just watch out and mark this 94K, because I think this is going to be the most critical and key level. Because if we lose this, boys, once we lose this, we're probably going to come down inside this range. And we might be entering the bear market. But as long as we hold this, government is back online. They submitted the bill. Uh, we're probably gonna have one more, I think, rally before we finally enter the bear market. So that is it for this video, boys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Remember, I have some links in the description below, or my link tree. You can click it right here. Weeks, big bonuses, no KYC. Bybit, big bonuses as well. Coinflare, you get $100 free sign up bonus if you deposit, I think, $150, and some discount codes for Coinflare. Thank you, boys, for watching. See you guys on the next one.